This is not moisture. This is dryness. So last night I used the overnight conditioning treatment right here. I used this right here. The overnight conditioning treatment. I'm getting ready to take this down and rinse it out and then shampoo my hair. Okay, I'm fresh out of the shower. Man, that deep conditioner, my hair felt so soft afterwards. Even now after the shampoo, like it feels good. It feels way better than it would normally feel. The only thing is that I remember last time too, that's another reason why I didn't like doing that, leave-in conditioner, because my scalp was itching. It was like, oh, I had to like fire itching. But since I rinsed it off, it's not anymore. But I am going to be using this moisturizing scalp treatment. I'm going to just put it on the part areas. And I'll rub it in. Gotta get these edges, the temples right here, because with that, I had that postpartum. It's never been the same. So one side I'm gonna do with the leave-in conditioner, and the other side I'm gonna do without the leave-in conditioner. It'll just be the gel only. Today is the first day of fall. Happy fall, y'all. I'll do the leave-in on the left side. Leave-in, left side. That's what I'm using right now, the leave-in. The leave-in, creamy, nicely thick, not too thick. Okay, the direction says to apply the leave-in in the section of hair and use your favorite detangling tool to detangle the hair. My hair is already detangled from in the shower before I shampooed, and it stayed detangled. To apply the gel, apply the Mielle mint almond oil while hair is still wet to prevent flaking. It says for better results, apply the Mielle mint almond oil while hair is still wet for added conditioning and to replace potential flaking. Reduce potential flaking. To apply the Mielle mint oil to reduce flaking. So what does that mean? Does that mean that this product flakes? We'll see. And I don't have the Mielle mint oil. Okay, I just finished applying the product. What I did was, on this side I did the leave-in and the gel, and then on this side in the back I did just the gel, and then in the front I did the gel and some argan oil. And now that I think about it, I could have just probably used this Hawaiian ginger scalp treatment, but I did argan oil on the bottom half, and then on the top half I did the gel and then argan oil, but I did the top half on dry hair because it said you can apply it on wet or dry hair. So I want to test it on dry hair and wet hair as well, which my hair wasn't really, none of my hair was really wet, like it wasn't soaking wet, it was just like damp. And then on this side I did apply a little bit more water with my hands, and that's it. So applying it was smooth, was good. I used this much, like I used quite a bit of it for my whole head. So now I just have to wait for it to dry. If it says to reduce flaking, that must be mean it flakes. Oh, why would you want to put out a product that flakes? I don't know. Okay, so this is so far how my curls are looking. I like them. The curls feel good. They look good. This is the side with the leave-in and the gel, and then this is the side, trying to see while I'm filming too. This is the side with the gel only, with the gel only in the back, and then the gel with some oil on top right here. So, oh, it's like, yeah, my hair is dry. I let the window down, let my hair blow in the wind while I was driving, and it's dry. So far, so good. So far, I like it. This is my good hairs in the back.
Yeah, you need to cut it that length.
My good hairs. Favorite part of my hair. I'm going to use this, the leave-in conditioner on one side, And then I'm going to use the moisturizing hair butter on the other side. It's really hard to do a video in this house without having to do a voiceover because it's never quiet except when it's pitch dark, like late at night. I would have expected these products to be way more moisturizing since it is titled a Moisture RX. Moisture RX. Find the moisturizing hair butter. This is what you use for twists and braids. That's what it says on the directions. And it's very
you're going to be doing a twist.
Creamy. These are not really detangling products because they're really thick. This side I can tell that it's this side is heavier weighted because this is the side with the butter, and you can see more curls in it as opposed to the side with just the leave-in. It's been a long time since you wore some plaits like this. These products may be okay when your hair is plaited and tucked away, but none of them wowed me except for the overnight deep conditioner. My hair did feel soft. I guess with any conditioner you leave in, it will feel softer than it would normally feel if you didn't leave any conditioner in your hair before you shampooed it. My daughter Deja, who just recently big chopped, she liked the gel by itself on her hair. She said it was moisturizing on her hair, but it wasn't like the best thing. She said she liked it, and that was pretty much it. Stay tuned to the end to see my results and what it did to my hair ultimately. Look at this hot mess. My hair looks like it's so swollen and poofy. This is not moisture. This is dryness. This is not moisture. Oh, no, it doesn't work for me. Look at that. After a few days. Hot mess. This how that product got my hair. My hair feels so rough and just, oh no. I do not like that at all. It was a hot mess. I'm about to get in the shower and redo my hair, but not with those products. No, thank you. Wait, hold up. Did you just hear the dryness? No, thank you.